Well, I don't know if you can hear me or not, but it's raining a little bit. There's Tina, and there's the roof of the tent. I don't know how well that's going to show up. You can see the water running off. But it's raining quite heavily. Hey baby girl. Hey baby girl. Okay, it's easing off a little bit now. That was quite something. That was quite something. I'm really glad I'm not in the old shelter, just stuck under a tarpaulin with all those leaks and tears and rips in the roof. I suspect that I would be rather wet. I would be rather wet by now if I was still in the old shelter. Let's have a look at that. Oh, is that in focus? Is that just my eyes? No, I think that's... So it's 22 minutes past 9 on Saturday morning. And yeah, it doesn't look like it's going to blow over anytime soon. We might be in here a little while. A little bit worrying that my phone's down around 15%, which means I've got maybe 2 hours if I have the screen on and play videos or whatever. A little bit longer if I play some audio and turn the screen off. But we'll be all right. I'm not concerned. I'm not panicking about getting wet or anything. I'm fairly confident in this structure. This is the what's this? I guess this is the third kind of serious bit of rain we've been in since the tent went up. Is that right? This might be the fourth actually. That first night it rained. Or did it? Might have been the second night. No, the second night. No, it was the first night. So yeah, anyway. Can you see the piece of string where I did that repair on the roof where water was coming in the other day? It doesn't look like there's any water dripping down that string. Water running off the roof out there because of the arch. So that's good. But yeah, I think we'll call it quits there. We're going to be in here for some time. But it's Delta Mike out. Okay, it's 10:20 and inside the tent is 29 degrees and climbing. Still raining a little bit. I'm going to go out shortly. You can see the sun is now on the I don't know if you can see actually. It doesn't show up too... There you go. It doesn't show up that clearly on the phone screen. But yeah, we've got the doors closed because of the rain. But the sun's out, and so now we're starting to bake. Hey Tina. We're gonna go outside soon. Take you for your morning walkings. Yeah, that's better, isn't it, darling? So yeah, let's we'll just wait for the hopefully those final drops stop and we can get out and get out of this sweat box.